The mouse dwell feature can help eye gaze users to access DocsPlus. In the Options ribbon tab, click Accessibility, click the Access Method tab, and then click the Input drop-down list and choose Eye Gaze Mouse Dwell. You can choose to enlarge cells when the cursor is over them, and you also have the ability to change rollover effect, which emphasizes a cell when the mouse pointer hovers over it, so you can choose an effect to help identify which cell the cursor is over. And also the select effect. This emphasizes that a cell is being selected, and you can choose an effect to help identify which cell has been clicked. To fine-tune the settings, click Eye Gaze Settings here. Within here, you're able to choose the length of the dwell, enable the dwell to perform a right-click and speak the contents of the cell, choose how far the cursor can move without restarting the dwell, and choose how far the cursor needs to move to start another dwell. If you need to start over again, you can click Restore Defaults to restore all default settings from the Options ribbon tab.